Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Boeing 777X is the latest iteration of Boeing's highly successful 777 series, and it marks a bold leap in commercial aviation technology. Standing on the tarmac, the sheer scale of this aircraft is immediately striking. It measures over 250 feet from nose to tail, with a wingspan that stretches nearly 235 feet when fully extended. What sets it apart visually is its revolutionary folding wingtips, the first of their kind on a commercial airliner. These wingtips extend during flight to maximize lift and aerodynamic efficiency, improving fuel consumption, but fold upwards on the ground, allowing the aircraft to fit into standard airport gates without requiring specialized infrastructure. This combination of engineering innovation and operational practicality is a hallmark of the 777X. At the heart of the aircraft are the new GE9X engines, the largest and most powerful engines ever installed on a commercial plane. Each engine delivers a mind-boggling 105,000 pounds of thrust, enough to lift this massive aircraft effortlessly into the skies. But these engines aren't just about raw power, they are designed for efficiency and environmental performance. Boeing claims the 777X achieves approximately 10 to 12% better fuel efficiency per seat compared to its predecessor, the 777-300ER. This improvement is a result of the combination of larger, more aerodynamically optimized wings, lightweight composite materials, and advanced engine technology. For airlines, this translates into lower operational costs, while passengers benefit from cleaner, quieter flights that leave a smaller carbon footprint. Speaking of wings, the 777X features the longest composite wings ever built for a commercial airliner. The wings are crafted from carbon fiber reinforced plastics, which provide exceptional strength while reducing overall weight. Their unique shape and flexibility allow them to bend slightly in flight, optimizing lift and reducing drag. This flexibility not only enhances fuel efficiency but also contributes to a smoother ride, reducing turbulence effects felt inside the cabin. The folding wingtips are a marvel of modern engineering, operating via a precise, fail-safe mechanism that ensures smooth extension and retraction without compromising safety. Inside, the 777X cabin is a showcase of passenger-focused design. Boeing has increased the fuselage width compared to previous models, which allows for larger windows, higher ceilings, and a feeling of spaciousness throughout the aircraft. Even in economy class, passengers notice the difference. Seats are slightly wider, legroom is improved, and overhead storage bins have been expanded to accommodate modern carry-on luggage. The design philosophy emphasizes openness and comfort, reducing the claustrophobic feel often associated with long-haul flights. In premium cabins, the enhancements are even more striking. Business class seats convert into fully flat beds, and first-class suites on select airlines feature sliding doors for privacy, advanced in-flight entertainment systems, and enhanced personal lighting controls. Boeing has also integrated sophisticated flights. Noise reduction has been a major focus for the 777X. From the engines to the fuselage, every element is designed to minimize sound both outside and inside the aircraft. The GE9X engines feature chevrons on the nacelles and advanced acoustic liners, reducing engine noise during takeoff and cruise. Meanwhile, fuselage and cabin materials help absorb ambient noise, creating a quieter environment for passengers. Combined with advanced pressurization and humidity controls, this makes even long-haul flights more comfortable and less fatiguing. The cockpit is a marvel of modern aviation technology. The 777X features a highly advanced flight deck with larger, high-resolution displays and an intuitive layout designed to reduce pilot workload. Fly-by-wire controls and enhanced autopilot systems allow pilots to manage complex operations with greater precision. Real-time weather monitoring, predictive maintenance systems, and advanced navigation aids are integrated into the flight deck, improving both safety and operational efficiency. Airlines can now monitor aircraft performance in real time, anticipating maintenance needs before they become critical, which increases reliability and reduces unscheduled downtime. Performance-wise, the 777X is designed for ultra-long-range operations. It can cover roughly 8,700 nautical miles without refueling, allowing non-stop flights on routes such as New York to Singapore or Los Angeles to Sydney. Despite its size and range, the aircraft demonstrates remarkable agility in the air, thanks to its flexible wing design and aerodynamic efficiency. Takeoff performance is optimized as well, enabling operations from shorter runways than many might expect for a jet of this magnitude. This opens up more airport options and increases flexibility for airlines operating on diverse global routes. Safety is deeply integrated into the design of the 777X. Critical systems are equipped with multiple redundancies, from avionics to hydraulic controls. Advanced ground proximity warning systems, weather radar, and anti-icing technologies ensure the aircraft can operate safely in nearly all conditions. Structural improvements include high-strength composite wings and reinforced fuselage sections, enhancing durability and overall safety margins. Every design decision reflects Boeing's commitment to exceeding regulatory requirements and industry safety standards. From an airline's perspective, the 777X is appealing not just for its passenger comfort and efficiency but also for operational economics. Despite carrying more than 400 passengers in a two-class configuration, the aircraft offers lower operating costs per seat than previous wide-body aircraft. This balance allows airlines to serve long-haul markets with fewer flights, reducing congestion and operating costs, while passengers benefit from more non-stop options. Advanced maintainability features, such as modular access panels and integrated diagnostic systems, further reduce downtime and simplify repairs, ensuring the plane spends more time in the air generating revenue. Aesthetic design also plays a role in the 777X experience. The aircraft features a sleek, tapered nose, smooth fuselage lines, and elegantly curved wings. These design elements are not purely cosmetic, they enhance aerodynamic efficiency, reduce drag, and contribute to quieter flight. Inside, subtle lighting, calming color palettes, and ergonomic layouts create a sense of well-being. Combined with advanced environmental controls, passengers experience a more relaxing atmosphere, even on flights exceeding 15 hours. Another unique selling point of the 777X is its flexibility. While it is designed primarily for long-haul routes, its ability to operate from a wider range of airports, combined with efficient fuel consumption, allows airlines to deploy it strategically across different networks. This flexibility is increasingly important as airlines seek to expand global connections without dramatically increasing costs. It also allows carriers to introduce direct flights on routes that were previously unprofitable or impossible due to aircraft limitations, benefiting travelers with shorter, more convenient journeys. In summary, the 2026 Boeing 777X represents a convergence of innovation, efficiency, and passenger comfort. From its massive, fuel-efficient wings and powerful GE9X engines to its spacious, thoughtfully designed cabin and state-of-the-art cockpit, the 777X redefines expectations for long-haul air travel. Airlines gain operational efficiency and flexibility, passengers enjoy unmatched comfort and quiet, and aviation enthusiasts can appreciate the engineering marvel that allows such a large aircraft to fly gracefully across the globe. It is not merely an upgrade of an existing platform, it is a statement about the future of commercial aviation, one where technology, sustainability, and passenger experience intersect. As the 777X enters commercial service around the world, travelers will experience a new standard in flight, marked by efficiency,